molecular spectra and energy level diagram indicating electronic, vibrational and rotational transitions. We have to see what is meant by molecular spectra or molecular spectroscopy. Which possible transitions are there in the molecular spectroscopy? And last, we have to see energy level diagram which shows the possible transitions in the molecular spectroscopy. Generally, the molecular spectra obtained is absorption spectra. Which spectra? Absorption spectra. And when the molecule absorb the radiation from microwave region, okay, then it gives rotational spectra. Again, you know, in IR region it gives IR spectra, okay, in visible region is gives electronic spectra. All these principle and all these things known to you. But generally the molecular spectra is absorption spectra, and when molecule absorb radiation, then it transitions from lower energy level to higher energy level, and when it return back from higher to lower energy level, then the molecular spectra is obtained, and the spectra obtained is in the form of band, and this is a complex spectra. And various transitions like electronic transition, then vibrational transition, and last one is rotational transition. Such a transitions are possible in molecular spectra or molecular spectroscopy. Means, since due to absorption of light there is a band spectra, but why this band or complex spectra is obtained? Because in molecular spectroscopy not only electronic transition but also vibrational and rotational transitions are also takes place. And if there is electronic transition, then 50 to 100 electron volt energy is absorbed by the molecule, then it shows the electronic spectra. But for vibrational spectra, it will be near about a 0.1 electron volt. Then such a less amount of energy as compared to electronic, that is 0.1 electron volt that absorbed by molecule, it gives the vibrational spectra. And if the energy of 0.005 so many electron volt is required for the molecule to show the rotational transitions. Means such a small amount of energy is required for rotational as compared to vibrational and electronic transition. When the electron, when the molecule transitions, you know, any atom and molecule composed of energy level, this main energy level, then there is a transition from one principal quantum number to another principal quantum number, then it will be electronic transition, okay. And it requires more energy because in the main energy levels vibrational energy levels are there, and in between vibrational energy level, if there is a transition, it requires less as compared to electronic, less energy is required. And last one, for transition again very less. Now energy for the rotational transition is Ej is equals to H upon 8 pi square I J into J plus 1 so many joules. This is the energy expression for the rotational transition. For what? Rotational transition means energy of rotation is equals to h upon 8 pi square I j into j plus 1 s square upon 8 pi square I j into j plus 1 so many joules, where this j is rotational quantum number. What is it? It is a rotational quantum number and its value varies from j equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 dash 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 dash. And again the energy of vibration is given by the formula E of vibration is equals to V plus half into h nu, where nu is the frequency of that radiation and V is the vibrational quantum number. What is it? It is a vibrational quantum number, and again its V varies from V equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. This is expression for vibrational energy level. This is expression for vibrational energy. This is expression for rotational energy. Okay. Now see the energy level diagram indicating electronic, vibrational and rotational transitions. Now you know, if the molecular spectra is absorption and then molecule absorb the energy and transition from ground state to excited state, and absorption spectra will absorption spectra obtained will be band spectra. That's why it is a molecular spectra. Now here in the molecular spectra, three types of transitions are there. Now you know, in any atom or molecule the main energy levels are there. Let me assume this is main energy level n equals to 1, principal quantum number 1. This is second energy level n equals to 2, that is K shell, and another one is L shell. Okay, as like atom. Okay, these are the main energy levels. If the molecule is in the ground state or atom is in the ground state, it absorbs energy and it excites from one energy level to another energy level in this way due to absorption. Okay, and this is electronic transition. What is it? It is electronic transition. Why electronic? Because due to absorption of light, transition takes place from one energy level to another energy level. Now in this main energy level, the vibrational energy levels are there. Each of these energy level consist of vibrational energy level. These are the vibrational energy level. Here it is first energy level, that is n equals to 1. In this is V equals to 0, first vibrational energy level. It is V equals to 1, it is V equals to 2, it is V equals to 3, it is V equals to 4 and so on. Again this is second energy level. Here again V equals to 0, V equals to 1, V equals to 2. These are the vibrational energy levels and V indicates the vibrational quantum number. Now when electron transitions in a such a way that it transitions from V equals to 1 to V equals to 2, this is vibrational transition. This is also vibrational transition. Okay, what is this? These transitions are nothing but vibrational transition. Okay, now last transition is a rotational. In these vibrational energy level, rotational energy levels are there. Means this is first vibrational energy level. That's why here that is J equals to 0, J equals to 1, J equals to 2 and so on. Okay, now if there is a transition from J equals to 0 to J equals to 1, then it will be rotational transition, where J is a rotational quantum number, or it may be J equals to 1 to J equals to 2, that is the rotational transition. Now in this way, this diagram indicates the electronic transition, when electron transition from n equals to 1 to n equals to 2. This is electronic transition. Okay, this is electronic transition. Now second one is vibrational transition, when electron transition from one vibrational energy level to another vibrational energy level, or electron may transition from V equals to 1 to V equals to 2 in another energy level. Okay, this is a vibrational transition. What is it? It is a vibrational transition. This is a vibrational transition. When electron transition from J equals to 0 to J equals to 1, or it may transition from J equals to 1 to J equals to 2. This is rotational transition. What is it? It is a rotational transition. Now, when such a transition takes place in the molecular spectroscopy, it may be electronic transition, maybe vibrational transition, or maybe rotational transition. Then you know the energy of vibration is given by E of vibration is equals to H plus V plus half into H nu, where V is vibrational quantum number and its value varies from 0 to dash 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 onwards, and energy of rotation is equals to H square upon 8 pi square I J into J plus 1 so many joules, and again this J is rotational quantum number and its value varies from J equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. See, J 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Vibrational quantum number V 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay. Now here in molecular spectra, due to these number of various types of transitions, electronic, vibration and rotation, this band spectra is obtained. Because you know in atomic spectra, what happens there? In atom there is only electronic transition, that's why line is there, but here there is band in molecular spectra due to electronic, vibrational and rotational transitions. Now here there is a selection rule. See, you know when energy is absorbed, electron transition from ground state to excited state. Okay, there may be possibility to transition from, let be assume this is third energy level above this n equals to 3, then electron may transition from n equals to 1 to this above energy level n equals to 3. Okay, means the possible electronic transition is from n equals to 1 to n equals to 2, n equals to 1 to n equals to 3 and so on. Okay. Now this is about electronic transition, you know it. But in the same manner, which transitions are allowed in microwave spectroscopy, that is in rotational spectroscopy and in vibrational spectroscopy, and it is known as a one very important point, that is selection rule. What is selection rule? Now if there is a rotational spectra, which spectra? Rotational spectra, or one can say microwave spectra. In this microwave spectra or rotational spectra, only delta J is equals to plus minus 1 is the selection rule. Why delta J? Because if the spectra is microwave rotational and absorption, then there will be delta J equals to plus 1, only absorption. And delta J equals to, if there is emission, then delta J equals to minus 1. Okay. Now this is selection rule. Or in vibrational spectroscopy, there is a vibration of atoms in the molecule, and here there is a selection rule, delta V equals to plus minus 1. Only plus 1 in absorption spectra, minus 1 in emission spectra. Now these are nothing but selection rule. Don't forget, this is delta J. When absorption spectra, J equals to 0 to 1, means plus 1 means only 0 to 1 or 1 to 2 or 2 to 3. other transitions are forbidden. If there is a j equals to 0 to j equals to 2 transition, if we consider, it is not allowed. It is called as a forbidden transition. If j equals to 0 to j equals to 2, it is not allowed in rotational spectroscopy. It is called as a forbidden transition. In the same manner, other transitions except delta j equals to plus minus 1 are forbidden. They are not allowed. In the same fashion, in vibrational spectroscopy, the allowed transitions or selection rule is delta v equals to plus minus 1. Other transitions are not allowed. In this way, here we know molecular spectra and band spectra, that is 3 possible transitions, and this diagram indicating the electronic, vibrational and rotational transition and various variations and the energy of vibration, energy of rotation, then selection rule for rotational and vibrational spectroscopy. Vibrational and rotational spectroscopy. Okay.